Hi guys, how are you? I hope all of you are well. I think I just wanted to make this small video to just clarify how we can book Zoom slots on Recruitment ID because I've been seeing a lot of confusion around people booking slots, and it's okay now, but I think once we progress in the cycle and the assessment center stage starts, it's going to be really hectic for all of us just to keep clarifying what slots we have. So here's a quick way I'm just going to tell you how we do it by booking it on the recruitment ID, and that way we all know what slots are booked, so when going ahead to book a meeting we're not going back and forth as to which slots are free, right? So for example, let's say you schedule a meeting at 1 p.m. and you've set schedule, and it's going to ask permission to your calendar. This is my personal calendar. Sorry. Yeah, so it'll usually ask you to put uh, a meeting on your calendar. Now, as you can see that at 1 p.m. now I have a meeting scheduled. How I can use this to put on the Zoom calendar is I just go to the edits and I change the calendar to recruitment Zoom ID, and I've saved it. Which then means when I have my recruitment ID, I know that these slots are blocked, and like this is my book slot. So when you come in, open your recruitment Zoom ID calendar, see which slots are booked, see which slots are available, and then you can go ahead and book a time. That way we don't have to go back to each other on WhatsApp or personal text messages letting each other know. Guys, before you book an ID, please make sure you see. So I know that at 5 p.m. someone's using Deepti's ID, and then again on Friday I know that these slots are booked for various calls. So I'm not going back and forth with these slots. I exactly know what slots are free and I'm only using those. Once we start adapting this practice, then we know we don't have to go and rectify our mistakes and go back and forth with each other. So if anybody has any doubts or if I've missed anything, if any step that I've missed, please feel free to add. And yeah, let me know if you need any help. Thank you guys, and have a great week ahead.